Hello everyone, so I want to update my Mac. It's an iMac and it's High Sierra. As you can see, if I click about this Mac, that's the operating system, macOS Sierra 10.12.6. Now I want to update it to Mojave. I'm going to click on open. Now I get this message that says this copy of the installed macOS Mojave application is damaged and can't be used to install macOS. So there's a way to fix this. Click OK. Now you want to go to Finder. Click on Finder. On the top menu, you want to select Go to Applications, and you're going to see the download of the Mojave. Now you want to right click this, the install file, select Show Package Contents, open Contents. Now open Shared Support. Now this is the file that you want to delete. Install info.plist. So I'm just going to right click and move it to trash. Need to enter my admin password. So I'm going to close back, select open again, and as you can see, it pops up and it's ready to update with the Mojave. So that was the fix. If you get this kind of the error, that's what you have to do. And then you can install the Mojave update. I want to click on install, enter password, and this is going to update. So it's going to take a while to update. So I've finished installed Mojave. It's going to reboot to complete the installation.